Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michael Galley, the Director of International Recruitment and Admissions at the British Columbia Institute of Technology, BCIT. BCIT is a public technical institute. All of our programs are applied and they're all employment focused. Can I grab the... And I should start off by saying that I'm very happy to be attending the Pacific Premier event. Thank you very much to all the organizers. So BCIT's programs, again, are hands-on and they're focused on the kind of jobs that are out there in our society. So everything from digital arts and environmental programs, IT, business, and engineering. There are over 300 programs at BCIT. We have 5 campuses all around the Vancouver area. You can go from one campus to another in about 30 minutes. We have approximately 45,000 students, including about 4,000 international. So international students comprise about 10% of the entire student population. And again, we've been around for about 60 years, so we have about over 200,000 alumni. If you're not sure where Vancouver is located, we're right down here in the lower west corner of the province of British Columbia. Canada is a very large country, and Vancouver does enjoy some of the nicest weather in the whole country. This is a beautiful view of our downtown area. We have the mountains, we have the ocean. It's quite a beautiful environment to live and study. All right, so the 5 campuses, as you can see, the Burnaby campus is the main campus. It's very large, about 165 acres. We have robotics labs and automotive. We have all of the engineering programs, as well as all the engineering programs. The downtown campus is our tech hub, our technology hub. So most of our IT programs are delivered at the downtown campus, which is very nice in the summer especially. Our aerospace technology campus is in Richmond. It's right next to the Vancouver International Airport. It's a one-of-a-kind campus. There's about 30 helicopters and airplanes in the hangar. So if you want to study aviation-related subjects, it is a great campus to study in. And then we have the Annacis Island Center for Motive Power, where we do heavy truck technology. And finally, we have a marine campus where we do all things related to marine engineering. So why do students choose to attend BCIT? So it's, again, applied education, very practical, hands-on. Students are studying in the classroom about half of the time and applying what they've studied in shops and labs the other half of the time in our state-of-the-art facilities. Everything is work integrated. So it's not only that we have co-ops and practicums and internships, but when you're studying in the program, what the instructors are teaching you is what you can expect to be doing when you go into the workforce. The programs are accredited and flexible. We do both daytime programs and evening programs for those who want to work during the day. And very important are these 2 factors. So every faculty at BCIT has worked in that field. So they're not necessarily researchers or academic focused. They're focused on teaching the kind of skills that will be needed in industry. And then finally, the program advisory committees, because faculty after some time may lose connection to the industry. So we make sure that every program has an advisory committee which is made of people that come from industry. And this is what a program advisory committee will look like. So there are a number of people on the committee from different companies. They're coming to BCIT twice a year to meet with our faculty to talk about what's changing in the industry so we can change our curriculum to match what industry needs. And what does it all end with? Well, 96% of our our students who graduate with a bachelor degree will find employment within the first 6 months, which is a very high statistic, of course. And for the diplomas, the 2-year diplomas, that number is a little bit lower. But bear in mind that many of the students who do the diploma don't look for a job, they go directly into the degree because we do a 2+2 model, 2-year diploma plus 2 years to finish your degree. Just some of our graduates who are very notable. So both of these individuals were very successful in their programs. Both of them had jobs before they graduate, which is very common for BCIT students. Even before you finish your program, you've already secured a job. Now we have 6 schools at BCIT. Business and media is the largest. Computing, academic studies, construction environment, School of Health Science, School of Energy, and School of Transportation. And again, about 300 programs. We also, again, pardon me, the distinction between regular and flexible programs. Regular is daytime, very intensive. Flexible is taught in the evening. And then we do have a lot of postgraduate work permit eligible programs, and you can see the list here. And if you visit our website, you can see all of this information. Many, many programs.
Too much.
Too many programs, yeah. Just to give you a sense of how intensive BCIT study is, in a 2-year diploma, the students in the broadcast and online journalism program are doing 110 credits. In Canada, 120 credits is usually what you do in 4 years of study, but we do it in 2. So it's very intensive, and that's another reason why our students graduate and get jobs so easily. This is an example of one of the evening programs. So students are studying, they make their own schedule. Same thing with financial management. And then we have a number of master's degrees. So there's smart grid system and technology. This is for electrical engineers, electronics engineers. We have a master's of applied computing, building engineering, building science, and ecological restoration, and as well as some graduate certificates. And that's BCIT in a nutshell. So again, if you're looking for a program, whether it's a 2-year or a 4-year bachelor degree, BCIT provides employment-focused education and training. You graduate with skills for employment. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Michael. And now please give a big round of applause to Mr. Michael. So, it's very interesting, but as I said, too many programs, but we have to choose, right? Which program is best for us or for your children? So, you have like 300 programs. So, which part of the program that you think is very famous from the BCIT?
Good question.
Yeah.
Because most of the programs...
So many signs, right?
Most of the programs will fill all the seats.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't have unlimited seating. So in a program like the television broadcast program, there's a total of 24 students in each class.
Mm-hmm.
And we may run 1 or 2 classes each year.
Mm-hmm.
So the students get very...
very close to the instructor.
Exactly. And again, they're working in teams and doing the jobs that they would do in real life.
Right.
So all the programs are very popular in one way or another. But I would say probably the ones that we have most seats for are the engineering degrees.
Okay.
Mechanical engineering, electrical, civil engineering, aeronautics, aviation.
Aviation industry.
So aircraft maintenance engineering is
Oh
very
my
popular.
God.
We have a number of business programs that are very popular. Computing and IT, of course. Those are the ones that I would highlight.
Sounds like this BCIT is very famous for IT technology, something like that.
Exactly.
But I've seen like some of the students that graduated have made their way very well from like journalist or news anchor.
Yes.
So good. So that means students can practice like real job before graduating. And after graduating, does the university help them to get a real job?
Not really, because we don't need to. Just by applying, when you present a BCIT credential, employers know the kind of students that come out of BCIT. They know if you can survive BCIT because it's very intensive study. If you can do this, you're more than ready for the job.
very intensive oh I have to translate it for a little bit สำหรับ BCIT เนี่ยนะครับผมถามเขาว่าถ้าหากว่าเรียนจบไปแล้วเนี่ยช่วยหางานเลยป่ะเขาบอกงี้ครับว่าแค่คุณยื่นใบสมัครแล้วเขียนว่า BCIT เนี่ยมันก็เกินพอแล้วครับ Thank you very much Michael very impressive presentation Thank you for having you here Thank you so much
Thank you.
Thank you